What is up, everybody? It is a lovely day outside. Got my ND filter on because it's super sunny, and I thought it's a lovely day to try to burn some silicone, see what happens. I'm interested in doing this because I want to know if I put this silicone on my Iron Man suit and the suit were to catch fire, I want to know if this will add to that fire, if it'll accelerate that fire. Ideally, well, it wouldn't. But most of what I'm building everything out of, mostly everything I'm building out of is non-combustible, like aluminum and Kevlar, but I need some kind of something to rest actually against my body, and that needs to be squishy. So let's burn some silicone, see what happens. I would say all in all, that was a pretty good test. I left the fire on it for almost 5 minutes. Now I think I was running out of fuel towards the end of that, but it performed a lot better than I thought it was. What I was really worried about was it just accelerating and adding to the fire that would be heating it up, right? But it really didn't do that. It just got all fat and warped, and then where the flame was hitting it, it was, you know, having red black body radiation, which so it was really hot. At least right at that point it was very hot, but it didn't start to combust. It's still smoking a little bit over there. It's probably really fucking hot, but overall, since this is going to be in the inside of the suit, it's going to be close to me, and if I'm really getting that hot, things have gone terribly wrong. I think this will probably work as a material for the inside of the suit, so that's good news. I think it's, like I said, I think I was running out of propane a little bit, so I guess if it got like really hot, maybe it could start to burn off and actually catch fire, but we didn't see it with this, so that's a good thing. I'm going to throw this away because I'm worried about it giving me cancer, but I thought this was interesting looking how it looked in here once I scraped it off. It's like almost formed like a, I don't know, like especially right here, and I flaked off a lot of it, but it almost formed like a foam. Like one of their foams that they make, like a low density foam or something like that. But then it doesn't have any like stability. But it kind of looks like it just burned at some kind of boundary layer there and just kept crawling back. So I was able to essentially flake it off and bring out exactly kind of unfucked with silicone. Looks like it melted a little bit or something. But I thought that was interesting. So I'm not gonna keep this, I don't think. Maybe I'll put it in a bag. Maybe I will keep it. Yeah, I'll put it in a bag and keep it. I just wanted to show you guys a quick little peek at the head. It's really coming along. These three parts have become solid right here, which is really nice. Let me turn off the body so you can kind of see what I'm talking about here. There's going to be a spot in here that's recessed, and that's going to be foam supports, and then also a speaker is going to go in right here that lines up the ear. The center of this circle right here, which is going to be the size of like a 30 millimeter speaker motor driver can go in there. Is right in line with the center of my ear, and then you can see how the suit is coming up here. And then I decided to move one of the arm. So the arm, I decided there were 3 linkages holding this thing together, and now there's only 2. So there's this one linkage that's going to be up here, and there's one linkage up here, and there's going to be another linkage going through here, and those will open up and allow this thing to open up. So I'm simplifying it from before because 3 linkages, it just felt like it was tipping towards chaos, and I might have been able to figure it out, but I was a little worried. So I'm going to try doing this. If that doesn't work, I'll go back to the 3 linkages, but I'm trying this for now. And then the other thing that you guys haven't seen is I got the arm here to open this, to take it on and off here. There, you can see how that moves. So I got that arm, that button, that's going to be eventually driven by a solenoid, but to start with, it's just going to be a button. I got that on there as well. So it's looking pretty good. Oh, and then this circle right here is going to have a series of tapped holes around it, and that's going to be, I'm going to machine a filter that gets mounted right on that, filter and a fan, and that'll blow that air into the suit and keep me from fogging up, keep me cool, and get me breathing fresh filtered air in case I'm, you know, using flamethrowers or burning shit or doing other Iron Man shit. Filtered air.